Yeah.
Bro, what are you eating?
Some chocolate.
Was that in the freezer room? Was that in the freezer room?
No, it was in your normal fridge.
Oh, good. I was gonna say that shit broke.
I don't know what these guys are doing.
Look, we got a bunker right here.
This guy says he's got a bunker.
Got a bunker.
What?
Even got the ladder going down.
Dude, this is the sketchiest thing I've seen.
We got a roof.
When it floods, we have a pool.
This is mission to get Caden. You just hooked me. What the fuck?
I caught a Bryce. Now he has to get shot, huh?
Watch out, Molly.
Dude, this man got hooked.
You're so good.
I'm not no fucking fish.
Marley, why are you protecting him?
I'm not. This nigga keep following me.
Just cause he's
Wait till I get a paintball gun to shoot me. What happened if he was chasing me, bro?
Unhook this guy.
Boy, it's right there. He could do it.
I guess
You really want to get shot right now?
Why are you sitting
Unhook
behind me, bro?
Cause
Unhook me, bro.
boy, you don't know how to unhook yourself. It's not even hooked to you.
Oh, it came
No,
off.
it has not been.
You better start running.
For sure.
Oh, he said for sure.
Oh,
Go, Jason, go.
I shot him. No, I get to shoot you.
Yeah, let him shoot you now. Let him shoot
Alright,
you.
you could shoot me. In the back.
No, I was literally aiming at you. I was aiming at
Bro, where'd he hit you?
aiming at your leg, bro. I was aiming at your
Look at
leg.
this shit.
I was aiming at your legs. I was aiming at your legs, bruh. No.
You got some shit ass aim.
bruh.
Oh my god. You try to turn around and hit Caden. You ready?
Boy, Molly's the only one that hasn't been shot,
No.
and you, bruh.
Marley, start running.
No.
Start running.
Nope.
Start running.
Run,
Hey,
Molly.
look at my back, fool. I already been shot.
No.
One.
No.
Ready?
Alright.
That
Shitty aim.
Just skim me. Just skim my shirt.
Alright, I gotta get a hit. Stand there, turn around.
You got 4 hits. No. You had 14. That's not even funny.
What'd he hit?
My head.
Bro, why'd you shoot him in the fucking head?
knocked his hat off.
Someone's looking at you. You didn't mean to shoot.
Bryce in the head, you should not be talking.
Yeah, but
Oh my god. He blew my hat off, bro. Bro, that's so funny.
I didn't see it, bro.
Bryce, did you get him?
yeah, I hit him right in like the ass.
Thank you. We're about to go hit the dirt bike shop. Gotta get a tube for my bike, and we're gonna go rip. But you always gotta get Taco Bell to start the morning off. You know what I mean? Like the boxes. You gotta get the boxes. If you're not getting the boxes, I don't know what you're getting. Okay, we just got the Kales. We're about to head out to these jumps and meet our friends. We ride some pit bike jumps, so we'll see when we get out there. Let's go. Gotta go through the gate to get in this.
Fuck,
What?
I hit that bar.
Oh.
Bye, you here. Thanks.
Oh, sorry.
Good one.
You too. Ooh, he is going fast. What do you say about this?
Ripping.
Dude, the mic hasn't been plugged in this whole time.
Oh, you fucking dumb.
Look.
Sleep, I tried to go. I tried to call. Damn, I can't go on. It's telling me I can't even think. I can't even sleep. I tried to call. I can't even reach. Damn, can't even speak. You're making me bleed. I can't go on. It's telling me I can't even think. I can't even sleep. I tried to call. I
see what Octavio has and see if he can send this section pretty hard. But we want to see that suspension travel. Let's go.
Dude, that one dip right there is pretty sketch.
Dude, you can. It looks like nothing on camera.
Oh, I think they're both going together.
Thanks to this nerd right here, all the videos are blurry of me.
That's
so
alright, they still look good.
yeah, it's because it's the green bike. If it was a red bike, it wouldn't look that good.
Here you come.
Told him it was easy. I told him. He didn't believe me. I told him it was easy. So well, all I had to do, if your friends won't hit a jump, all you gotta do is put a rock on the jump. I told you. This guy's so happy. So look, you're on the jump, right? You want to whip, you push down with this leg on the foot peg. Look, push down, let off with this leg. When you're pushing down, you do that, you know what I mean? Like, look,
Okay.
you're on here, when you do this, hold on. See?
Alright.
See, you know what I mean? So let's see it.
Let's see it happen, huh?
See what you got.
Dude, you were talking shit about this, saying it was gonna fall off out in the desert, and it hasn't.
Because you're too slow.
Yeah, right.
Pancaker! Yeah! That was not even close to what I was talking about, but we're gonna get some clips of this jump. Hopefully my chain
Shit, huh?
Hopefully my chain doesn't come off. It's pretty loose, so set on what you got. Made it to the Stapleton Performance Center.
Welcome to the Performance Center.
What up?
How's that race?
What
I
up?
saw you got taken out in that last
Oh,
race.
shut up.
Why didn't you race, James?
I was too fast for everybody, and I was like, nah, I'm too fast. I can't.
Where were you at? You missed it. The one and only Michael Blaus. He missed the pit bike race.
I was sleeping.
What'd you say?
Next time.
Yeah, we'll be there next time. We'll be shredding.
Are you gonna be
We'll
there?
go and work him next time. We'll go and put it to him next time. Make sure of that.
Put the pedal to the metal. Yeah.
I said, does this thing smell good or what?
Come on, get in there. Get in there. Get in there, get a sniff. Get a sniff. Oh yeah. It smells like nothing. But now now I can just see moons and stars and lizards and bears. Oh my.
I can see unicorns and popsicles and ice cream cones.
What? What?
You guys don't know? You guys don't know?
Michael Blaus with the Robo helmet?
RoboCop helmet. Oh, it's even got a stay too. Look at that shit.
Dude, let's see what you're whipping. Let's see what you're whipping on. Damn, with the FMF on it? Damn. And the exhaust wrap. With the King 2.5 8-inch coilovers.
Hold on, check out my new front tire.
You got a freshie? You got the freshie on her.
That's all you
Damn.
need. That's all you need.
Let's see him whip this thing. He even got the GoPro mount for the extra stabilization.
Touring bike.
That'll be it for this video. If you guys liked it, subscribe, follow, do all that stuff. When you comment, it helps out. So if you want to see more videos of us riding, messing around, getting hurt and stuff, anything, like video every week, subscribe. See ya.
Telling me